This is Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV Center in Stuart, Florida. And this is the Forest River Rockwood. This is a 2011 model. As you can see, everything is in very good condition. Very nice accent lighting off the side. This model has a Samsung flat screen TV, AM FM radio there toward the top, and you have your speakers up there as well. It has central AC. Here's the double door fridge, your microwave, and your triple burn stove. Cool little spice rack in there. Here's your sink. Nice deep wells in there. And your two recliners there toward the end, and really nice big windows looking outside. Alright, moving up to the master bedroom. We have mirrored wardrobes and a full queen-size walk-around bed with a decorative headboard and accent lighting with storage above as well. Here you'll notice this little plate goes up. This holds your TV or whatever else you need up there, and there's your cable hookups as well. Moving on to the bathroom, we have our sink, our storage, and here's the mirror with even more storage behind that. You notice that most of this is all in very good condition. Alright, well that is the 2011 Fleetwood Rockwood fifth wheel camper. Thank you for watching.